Brava Cedar Shake Installation Video Series Part 4 Installation at Penetrations and Chimneys. Chimney and penetration flashing dimensions may vary according to local weather code requirements, chimney size and location, slope of the roof, and other factors. Dimensions shown are recommended minimums and are intended to be approximate to allow for reasonable tolerances due to field conditions and area practices. Verify code compliance and regional industry best practices. Self-adhered deck flashing in compliance with ASTM D1970 should be installed around pipe penetrations and rectangular penetrations and turn up a minimum of 4 inches. Pipe penetrations. Install underlayment a minimum of 10 inches past the penetration. Using a minimum 20 inch by 20 inch deck flashing that meets or exceeds ASTM D1970, X-cut the deck flashing to fit over the pipe. Use roofing cement to seal the transitions. Continue underlayment installation, lapping over the deck flashing 4 inches minimum. Install shakes normally below the penetration. Install the next course and cut a shake to fit over the opening. Install the cut shake and continue installing the shakes. Install a one-piece pipe boot or malleable metal flashing sleeve over the pipe. Ensure flashing extends a minimum of 4 inches below and to the sides of the pipe. Install the next course, cutting a shake to fit over the boot. Solid shakes are recommended for best appearance at cut edges. Install the remaining shakes. Chimneys and rectangular penetrations. Install shakes up to the base of the chimney. Install apron flashing over the shakes. Extend apron flashing 6 inches minimum past the chimney. Apron flashing should extend 4 inches minimum up the chimney wall and should extend at least 3 inches onto the shakes. Return legs should extend up the chimney a minimum of 3 inches. Install step flashing, lapping 3 inches minimum onto the apron flashing. Step flashing should extend 6 inches minimum onto the sidewall shakes. Install a course of shakes over the step flashing. Install the next step flashing over the installed shake, lapping step flashings a minimum of 2 inches. For openings more than 30 inches in width, install cricket flashing. Lap cricket flashing 3 inches minimum over the step flashing. The vertical leg of the cricket flashing should extend 3 inches minimum above the apex. Complete the shake installation. Extend upper end of the cricket flashing 6 inches beyond the first course of shakes. As an alternative to step flashing, pan flashing can also be used. Install pan flashing on the sides of the chimney, lapping a minimum of 3 inches onto the apron flashing. Extend pan flashing 6 inches minimum over the sidewall shakes. To prevent water intrusion, verify flashing and counter flashing is properly installed, coordinating any wall base flashing with counter flashing in veneer claddings or saw cut reglets and counter flashing in solid masonry or concrete chimneys. In solid chimneys, step flashing may be installed, inserting step flashing into saw-cut reglets and placing beneath each shake up the penetrating sidewall. For openings less than 30 inches, a backer or saddle flashing may be used. Flashing should extend 14 inches minimum up the slope of the roof. Flashing may be painted for a desired appearance in accordance with flashing manufacturer's guidance. For more videos and information, visit us online at bravarooftile.com.